Hey John, Kightlinger Motors teamed up with Keystone Styling. Our friends over here at Keystone Styling basically took one of our great trucks here. This is a 2020 STX F-150. Did an upfit. We have an exhaust. We have painted fender flares. We have 22s, deuces for all you cool people. That's deuces with Nitto Terra grapplers. So 6-inch suspension lift, 22-inch wheels and tires. We have bolt-on fender flares, painted obviously to match. Wheel well liners, dual exhaust, Hunter engineered, mounting and road force balancing on the wheels and tires, alignment performed, carries a balance of the factory warranty. You get your full 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, 5-year, 60. And it's backed by a warranty from Keystone Styling as well for all those aftermarket parts. Now inside, you have your STX F-150 here with your backup camera. You have your Sync 3 system, all right? Black interior. You can see the nice stripe on the outside as John gets closer here. Now, this truck, all right? So this truck, base price $47,810. The adrenaline package is 12 grand. Now, the great thing about that is we're gonna knock 2,500 bucks off the price, off the top. That makes the truck 58 grand-ish. And then we're gonna give you all the incentives on it too. So with the Ford incentives, you're gonna be able to get this truck with this great package ready to go to your home. So give us a call today, 1-800-477-5277, or you can visit us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our awesome website, Kightlinger.com. Bam!